Hey y'all, I'm in Michael's today and I wanted to come and see what kind of fall decor they had out, so I thought, hey, why don't I just go ahead and film it? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to show you some of the things I see in here. I don't know if I'll buy anything because I do still have a lot left over that I bought last year when my house was brand new. So let's just see what we can find. I really love these right here. These would be perfect sitting out on the porch this fall. I also always struggle between decorating for Halloween and decorating for fall because Halloween is my favorite holiday. I used to use these flameless LED lights all the time, but I stopped using them and I kind of miss this. Oh my gosh, this would go perfect on the coffee table or on the dining room table. I love this too. And let me show you what I really, really love. This one right here. That is so cute. I don't know what I would do with it, but I like that a lot. I just like all of them. I'm really loving the plaid this year. If you wanted to make a wreath, these would be so cute. I love candy corn. And I've seen a few on Pinterest that have used these little shoes before, and they're really cute too. These owls are so cute. I bought some of these last year to put on my front porch, so I'll probably still be using those again. I love the little scarecrows. Oh my gosh, look at this one right here. That's cute. And this pumpkin one, oh my goodness.
Two ships passing in the night on the stormy sea. Got your navigation lights pointing right at me.
This year I'm really loving these lighter colors for the fall. So I found this right here and I really like this. How many reallys can I say? But I'm telling y'all, I really like it. And then I found a couple of these little succulents that I really might get. And then, like I said, I've been loving the pastel-ish colors this fall. like these color pumpkins versus like the bright oranges and stuff, and I may go with some white pumpkins as well this year. This would look really good as just like a throw in the living room. Like I said, I am loving plaid this year. Now these are super cute.
If you need to row, I'm your raft when the river's flowing. I'll follow you.
I really like this one too. Every year I fall for pumpkins, bonfires, s'mores, autumn leaves, apples, and you. That one is really, really cute.
Under stormy skies, been racing with the tides and the hurricane's eye. Been sailing through the light of the northern star. 'Cause I knew that it would lead me to right where you are. I'm your sail when the wind is blowing. I'm your oar if you need to row. I'm your raft when the river's flowing. I'll follow you wherever you may go. I'm your sail when the wind is blowing. I'm your oar if you need to row. I'm your raft when the river's flowing. I'll follow you wherever you may go. I'll follow you wherever you may go. Ships passing in the night on the stormy sea.
Now we're just gonna go ahead and check out the Halloween stuff real quick because I'm obsessed with Halloween. These would be cute for little candy pails for trick-or-treaters.